Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Porsche Connect to route and charging planning, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Porsche Connect for route and charging planning, start by ensuring your vehicle is equipped with the necessary technology. Download the Porsche Connect app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create a new account if you do not have one. Log into your existing Porsche Connect account. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your vehicle to the app. Make sure your vehicle is parked in an area with a strong internet connection. In the app, navigate to the route planning section. Enter your desired destination in the search bar. Select your destination from the suggested options. The app will calculate the optimal route based on traffic and driving conditions. For electric vehicles, the app will also display charging stations along the route. Select a charging station to view its details and availability. You can schedule charging stops if needed for your journey. Once you have your route planned, send it to your vehicle. Confirm the route on your vehicle's infotainment system. Your vehicle will navigate to the destination, including charging stops if applicable. Monitor your battery status during the journey using the app. Adjust your route as necessary based on real-time traffic updates. After arriving at your destination, you can use the app to locate nearby charging stations if required. Explore additional features in the app to maximize your Porsche driving experience. Now you are ready to efficiently use Porsche Connect for your route and charging planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.